rocking out and did it again one more time here in sunny ass Florida. This live stream is for all members of CodingPhase, part of the community, right? And also two people that just joined CodingPhase.com. This is going to be a live stream where I want to talk to you guys about two things, right? What to expect when you come to CodingPhase, right? And how to make sure you succeed. And also, too, I want to give you guys details about getting to meet some of you guys, right? If you're in the Tampa area, let's meet up, okay? I'm about to be real active out here, and I want to go and meet most of you guys that are here in the community, or all of you guys, right? If you guys can come down, let's do it. Okay, so yeah, man, shout out to everybody that's watching me live, that's on this live stream. I appreciate it that you guys are here. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Okay, hopefully you guys can see me, hopefully you guys can hear me. Okay, but yeah, man, we are live. I'm over here in Tampa right now, downtown Tampa, beautiful sunny Florida right now, man. This is nice right now, man. I came out here, took out the kids, let them play in the park real quick, and now I'm live, okay? So yeah, man, anybody that is new to CodingPhase.com, right, or is a current member, CodingPhase.com, shout out to all the new members, though. So many people signed up this past July 4th sale. I really appreciate it that you guys decided to come to my platform and allow me to help you guys out in this journey. Trust me, I'm not going to let you guys down, but I want to go in and make it very, very clear, okay? Just because you paid for a service doesn't mean that automatically you're going to be a developer. What do I mean by that, okay? This is just like a gym, okay? I'm your trainer, I'm the owner of the gym, but guess what? You also have to show up to the gym, okay? We have meetings every Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Right? You come in, you show me your projects, you discuss the things that you've done throughout the week, and whatever questions you might have, I'm going to go in and answer it myself. It's going to be me and a group of other students. Usually the meetings be between anywhere from 20 to 30 people. Okay, so everyone has a chance to talk, and if I feel like not everyone got to talk, guess what? I'll stay an extra hour, right? I don't mind it, right? I want to make sure I go over anybody's work that need me to review it and look at your portfolio, your projects, etc. Okay, so definitely come to all the meetings. Another thing too that you want to do is the first thing you want to do when you come to CodingPhase.com, you go into the Tech Accelerator V3. Right, it's right on top of all your courses. You see it right there. You click there and you'll see all of the courses and everything that you have to do to accomplish to be able to get hired. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's where you want to start, the Tech Accelerator V3. Every Diamond member has access to the Tech Accelerator program. Basically, that program is going to pretty much hold your hand through the whole process. It's going to tell you, hey, this is the course you got to start with, okay? And then from there, it's also going to give you the links to the meetings. It's also going to tell you when you have to start building your projects, what type of projects you need to build, how your portfolio needs to look, right? You have access to all of those things in there. And we also have the list of the jobs that you need to be applying to. Every single day, I'm looking for job opportunities for you. So guess what? Go into that list. That's the list that you need to be applying first. We also teach you how to look for jobs, because guess what? I'm a human being, right? I might have to do other things in a day, or maybe a job got listed by 3 o'clock. I usually look for jobs early in the morning. But let's say something pops up at 3 p.m. and you are able to go in and search for the jobs yourself. I'm teaching you how to do that, right? And what are the keywords and what are the descriptions that you need to pay attention so you could get that job. Okay, so everything is laid out for you in the Tech Accelerator V3. And again, try to go through the courses as quickly as you can, but this is not a race, right? This is a marathon, right? I know some of you guys are busy, you got families, you have jobs. So again, just create a schedule for yourself. Either in the morning times or in the night time, try to give yourself an hour to 2 hours every single day to go through the courses. If you get that done, you're going to be able to go through the content editor, email developer in less than a month and a half. If you give yourself at least 2 hours a day. And on the weekend, Try to go hard. Sundays are a chill day, right? Guess what? Wake up early on a Sunday. Do it like you was going to summer school, okay? You go in, you put in your time, try to put 5 hours on the weekend. Let's say on a Sunday, early in the morning, you wake up 9 till maybe 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and guess what? You're going to get through all the courses, the initial courses in the first sections to be able to get your first job, right? In a month and a half, no cap. But you have to go in and create that schedule for you, okay? You have to go in and put in the work. Now, if you have more time than that, you could even do it faster. I've seen people come in, go through the content editor, build their portfolio in literally 3 weeks, and they're already applying by the end of the month. So can you do that? Yes, but you have to put in the work. I don't have a magic wand to make you a developer. I don't have a magic wand to teach you the skills. This is something that you have to put in your work, okay? Yesterday I was watching this documentary on Netflix. Go check it out. It's called Sprint. It's about the guys and girls who do sprint. Basically they race, the 100-meter, right? It was 100 meters, 100, 200 meters, right? A whole bunch of Americans, Jamaicans, right, that they go in and they basically practice to be able to make it into the Olympics, right? Those people are working every single day for 8 months straight, non-stop, okay? Because they want to make it into the Olympics and they want to make it into the U.S. team or the Jamaica team, right? You have to think of yourself as an athlete, okay? In a sense, you have to go hard, right? If you want your goals as quickly as possible, you have to go through the courses. I can't do anything, beyond that, right? If you don't have the skills, there's no way I can help you get hired, okay? So I need you to go through the courses, get the work done, and then from there, go in and, put in the work, build your portfolio. Let me review it. Let me make sure we optimize it. Let me make sure that it's the right template. Let me make sure you have the right projects, the right presentation. And then from there, you're going to start seeing a lot of interviews. Okay. Once you start going through the interview process, guess what? It usually takes about 4 to 6 interviews for most students to get hired. So again, that's what you want to do, right? You want to get to that stage where you're already applying to jobs. So you go into the interviews. Okay. So yeah, go hard or go home, somebody said in the chat, and they're right, okay? Shout out to everybody that's in here. What's up, Joe? Sound and mic working great? Okay, great. I'm glad that my message is getting through. Okay, I'm happy for that. Anil Rajani says, subscribe like done, sir. Okay, great. Welcome to the community. Okay. So yeah, shout out to everybody that's in here. And of course, if you're a troll or somebody that's in here in the chat, guess what? Enjoy the black party, okay? You're gonna get a VIP ticket to the black party and enjoy it. They're serving French fries and they're also serving soda on the side. So again, some chicken wings, some French fries. Enjoy the black party with the rest of the trolls, okay? Now let's talk about meetups, right? I want to start meeting up with you guys, okay? So anybody that's in the Tampa area or nearby, in Florida or even the closest states, maybe Georgia or even Alabama, right? If you're nearby Florida and you want to come hang out with your boy, send me an email, codingphase@gmail.com, and say, hey Joe, put me on the list, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a list of students and people that are subscribers. You don't have to be a student of mine. If you just want to come hang out with your boy, come join the list, okay? So you send me an email, tell me, hey, where you at? Give me your phone number. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add you to a list. And every time that we do a meetup this summer, I'm going to notify you ahead of time so you can come down, prepare some plans for yourself, right? And we'll definitely link up. This year I want to do a lot of cool things with my community. I was thinking about going to freaking like comedy clubs, going to a bar, going to a conference together. Like, let's link up, okay? We're supposed to do the CodingPhase retreat. Also too, if you have $1,000 extra somewhere, right? Again, this is no like me pushing it. Hey, I'm gonna make some money out of this shit. No, this is one thing that I want to do before the end of the summer, which is gonna be like around August. I want to go in, rent a property where we all link up and we have, a ball. It could be 2 days. It could be in Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia. It could be in Miami, Florida. It could be in Vegas, right? If you're interested in that, right, just have $1,000 saved up, okay? Because we're gonna rent a mansion, and we're gonna have a spot where we're gonna have 10 to 15 beds where you could come down, and it's gonna be 10 or 15 of us, right, for 2 days, 3 days. We'll figure it out. Hopefully, we catch a good deal. My plan is to have like a nice property where we could just literally share ideas, network, and at the same time have a good time. Okay, so if you're interested in that, definitely send me an email, CodingPhase@gmail. Send it there and just tell me, hey Joe, I'm looking to go to the meetup, or I'm looking to go for the CodingPhase retreat. Let me know in the emails, okay? This way I'm gonna go in and create that list and notify you guys of everything that's happening and when we're gonna link up, okay? Let me see. Shout out to Luis Jaquez. Hi from República Dominicana. ¿Qué lo que? Dime a ver. Dime a ver, manito. What's going on? Bo. Ay, bobo. When I'm out here, ay, bobo. Shout out to my Dominicans, man. Dominican. We in the house, man. I always rep. Okay. Let me see. Running through here. Hey, I'm going around YouTube streams and asking questions. Favorite pizza topping other than that pepperoni. Hey, I'm glad that you're in here. I'm one of those people that like ham and pineapple. Not a lot of people like it, but I love that shit. That's how I like my pizza. Sometimes I like it with corn, right? Sweet corn. That's also too another thing that I like. Okay. So there you go. Now you got me talking about pepperoni and pizza. But yeah, man. So like I said, I'm super excited for this summer. July 4th sale was amazing. Okay, thank you for everybody that signed up to the sale. Right. This is why I do it. I do it to help people out, and I'm glad that a lot of you guys took advantage of it. Currently, right now, we're still running the 50% off until Monday. So you have till Monday, 12 a.m. Eastern time. So if you missed it throughout this week, you still got 2 more days that you can sign up. So take advantage, right? It's the best thing that you could do. Again, it's a platform that is going to take care of you, that really cares about every single subscriber, not just like a customer, but also to like a family. And I know it sounds corny when people say, oh, like a family, this and that, but it's the truth, man. I really do care about every single person that comes to CodingPhase, because it took me so much work to build this platform, and I did it for people just like you that want to get in and are looking for a new opportunity. This thing, like I said, becoming a developer changed my life. Like, there's nothing else in this world that I would rather be doing than this, especially because it just gave me that financial freedom, right? Allow me to be able to take care of my family, allow me to grow as an individual, allow me to continue to grow as a developer every single day, right? So it's a never-ending journey of like learning, but it's actually fun, right? It's like a video game, to be honest with you, right? Initially, it becomes a video game of like, okay, how much money can I make? How many skills can I stack up, right? How much things I could build, right? And then once you reach that point where you're building your own business using the skills that you learned, right? It's the best feeling ever. I can tell you guys right now. Somebody said, you bugging with the pineapple? Yeah, man. Pineapple is amazing, man. I love pineapple. It makes your shit taste better. You know what I mean? I try to get a lot of pineapple in me. Make that shit sweet. God damn it, we're gonna have to delete this live stream. Nah, man. You know what I mean? Again, I like to crack jokes, man. So don't get it twisted, man, and don't get upset. But yeah, that's one of the main reasons too why I want to go in and start doing like meetups where we go to places. Like there's a bunch of different comedians that come down here to Florida, especially Tampa. Um, I forgot the name of the spot, but there's a good spot here in Ybor City where a lot of comedians come, and I wouldn't mind, doing like a weekly meeting with my students. Link up. We go to Ybor, go to a comedy club, chill out, then hop on a bar, right, and then just chill. Run around the city, together. You know what I mean? Squad up. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty dope. Yeah, because this year I'm like, you know what? I feel like after the pandemic, or in the pandemic, like there was a lot of plans to link up with a lot of the students, and we just couldn't do it. Now it's open. Now we're ready to go. Now we're ready to start meeting up with people. And you never know, we might even do a CodingPhase meetup group here in Florida. I think that will be dope to bring more people into our community, and also to share value, right? Share value with other people that's interested in this lifestyle. Okay. Shout out to Charles. Charles Costin, what's going on, bro? How's everything going? How the interviews going, Charles? Charles, I haven't seen you in one of the meetups, man. What's going on? Anybody that's in the Tech Accelerator, remember we merged the Tech Accelerator with the Diamond membership. So you got to show up to the accountability meetings. Come through. I know you're already at that point where you're interviewing. Let's figure out what's going on with that process. Let's see what we can do to get you in, bro. Again, shout out to everybody that's in here. Let me see. Cat, what's going on, Cat? Cat, what do you say? Cat, your message went retracted. Like you deleted your message. I want to see what you say. Oh man. Let me see. Shout out to everybody in here. Dominican Jamon con maíz. Yes. Yes, you know about that. That's how in the art, this is a pizza chain called Pizzarelli. And I'll never forget that name because that's the first time I tasted pizza in Dominican Republic. When I was a little kid, my dad used to buy us pizza as like a treat. You know how you over here you buy pizza like for whatever reason. In DR back in the days, to get pizza was like, ooh, you're like bougie. You're like, oh, you got money. He got money. He buying pizza, right? So, so back then, my dad would buy us pizza, like once a month or once every few months as a treat when we was little. And there was this place called Pizzarelli. And yo, I'm telling you guys right now, I've never tasted a pizza that good ever since. They used to make it with like ham and they also had like corn. Well, y'all will call here like kettle corn. It's like nice and sweet, but it's like Dominican corn. It's not that shit, that GMO shit that's here in the United States. It's like that organic sweet corn. And man, that combination is just amazing. Let me see, I'm in Orlando, so down to meet up anywhere in Florida. Yes, Bree Power. We gotta link up, bro. You've been out here for a minute. We haven't had the chance to chill. Let me see. What's the difference between gold and diamond? Right? So, good question, Clarissa. So the gold membership is what I call like a legacy membership, right? It's still on the website. Anybody that wants to sign up for it, you can sign up. What it gives you is basically about 29 courses. Those courses are mostly in the front end, so it's a good start. Like for somebody that comes in and says, "Well, damn Joe, I don't really have enough for paying, $150 a month or $50 a month, $75 a month, whatever it might be, right? I don't have that bread, but I want to get started today." Guess what? You got the gold membership that you can sign up for, okay? But we're no longer promoting that for one specific reason, is that we've seen that the best return on your investment, right, is to really go all the way. What do I mean by that? Going to the diamond membership. The Diamond membership has access to every single course on CodingPhase. There's over 100 courses on CodingPhase, right? It teaches you everything from content editor, email developer, front-end developer, back-end developer, how to be a full-stack developer, shows you Shopify development, React development, so pretty much everything, okay? Now, that also comes with services. So like I said earlier in the live stream, maybe you missed it, when you are a Diamond member, I'm constantly looking for jobs for you, meaning I do the job search assistance, right? I give you that list so you can have the best chances of you getting hired as quickly as possible. I teach you how to build your portfolio. I review your portfolio. I'm basically holding your hand through the whole process, right? So think about it like this. It's like Platinum Fitness, right? Platinum Fitness or Crunch or LA Fitness, any of this gym that's out here, right? You could sign up for just to go and use the machines, right? But you showing up to the gym, unless you know what you're doing, then really you're just wasting your time, because you're not gonna get as much results as having a private, instructor, right? A gym trainer, and someone that's creating a schedule for you and creating a diet for you. It's the same thing that we do on CodingPhase, right? When you become a Diamond member, right? Currently, right now, like I said, it's 50% off. So it's $50 a month. Basically, you go in and you have me to help you out in this whole process. So not only you get all of the courses, so you don't have to purchase any of the courses, you just sign up for what you need, which is access to all of them, and then from there you have access to me to help you out in the whole process. So again, it's pretty cool. That's the difference between the gold and the diamond, right? But that's the reason why I don't promote the gold membership no more, because I've noticed that going through the diamond membership with the tech accelerator gets people way more results way faster. Again, it's like I'm holding your hand through the whole process. You can't mess up. You get what I'm saying? There's no way you can mess up. So that's the best way of doing it. When you have somebody really there for you, holding your hand through the whole process of learning to code, to building your portfolio, to going to the interviews, just like Charles Costin that was in here. He's a Diamond member, Tech Accelerator member, right? As he's already gone through the parts of going through the courses, and now we're going through the process of getting him hired. So as he's going through his interviews, we go one-on-one and see what's going on with that, right? But you have to come to the meeting so I can help you out, right? So that's the big difference between the gold and the diamond membership, okay? You just get full access to me, and also to, me being your coach and helping you out through the whole process, plus all the courses, right? And again, there's no long-term commitment, right? So there's not like a contract. You don't got to get a loan. You don't have to do none of that shit. You come in and you pay as you go, meaning that when you come in, you pay for your subscription. If all you needed was just 1 month, hallelujah, that's it. You got 1 month. If you need me to help you out for the next 6 months, guess what? Go in, sign up for the 6-month subscription or the yearly subscription, and it's a better deal, right? Instead of paying $50 a month, you're actually paying $33 a month, right? You just paying it up front. So it's a great deal. Go check it out. Yeah, my day is going great, Kat. My day is going great right now. I'm over here in beautiful Tampa, Florida. I don't know if you guys can see, right? This is a beautiful park that's out here. It's drizzling a little bit, so I'm about to head out. I gotta go pick up my kids. My wife is over there, pregnant. I don't know if you can see her. She's somewhere. Where is she? She's over there, sitting down. Yes. So she's over there. My kids is in there somewhere. They're in this random water park. I don't know if you guys can see it. Where is it? Yes. So it's like a water sprinkler park thing. And yeah, having a great day, man. Having a blast. Now, talking about pizza, we're actually going to buy pizza right now. I told the kids I'm going to buy them pizza. There's a spot here that have like New York City style pizza. And it's the best pizza all over Tampa, Florida. So we're about to get them that, get them a nice pie. I'm gonna get 2 pies. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm not even gonna be like, yo, yeah, we're gonna get 1 pie. No, I'm getting 2 pies, man. You know what I mean? Because nobody likes my ham and pineapple. I don't know why. I like my ham and pineapple, so F everybody. You know what I mean? If they don't like it, fuck that. I'm getting my own shit. And then that shit lasts me 2, 3 days. Right? But yeah, man. We're about to do that right now. Get them the little pepperoni pizza. I'll get my ham and pineapple. Whoever don't like it, that's on you. More for me. Yeah, yo, my kids be acting like ham and pineapple. I hate when people hate on the ham pineapple and don't even give it a chance. Give it a chance. That shit's banging. It's a nice Hawaiian pizza. Yeah, man. So, again, guys, listen, I'm about to get out of here. Like I said, if you're coming into CodingPhase.com, come in with a plan, meaning that you're going to put in the work. I can't do anything if you don't put in the work. If you don't put in the work, go through the courses, I can't do anything with you, right? I need you to learn the skills so I can help you get into your job. I need you to learn the skills so I can help you do freelancing. And I need you to learn the skills so I can help you out build your own business, okay, as a developer, okay? So it is what it is. Now, for anybody, like I said, on the live stream, if you are here, guys, and you're in Tampa area, Florida area, Georgia area, Alabama, send me an email, codingphase@gmail, right? And send me an email with your name, your number, and your state, right? Or your city if you're here in Florida. So that way I can notify you when we're doing meetups, right? We're gonna start doing meetups here in Tampa. And again, we're gonna start going to places together, just to hang out, chill. I think, this thing about being a developer doesn't have to be boring and doesn't have to be, you know, something that you just isolate yourself and just do it on your own. Guess what? I want to link up with all of you guys. I want to be able to hang out with you guys, right? There's something that I always call, which is the human touch. There's nothing better than that, right? When you get to really get to see, the people live, that's a great feeling. And when you could actually go in and help somebody live, like you got a problem, shit, we hang out, right? You tell me, hey, yo, I'm having some issues with this, and what? If I got the time, I'll sit right there half an hour going over whatever you might be having an issue with. You know what I mean? I don't have no problem with doing that. No one else does that here on YouTube. Most of these people, to be honest with you, they just look at people as like a way to milk them, sign them up to a boot camp, get them into a loan, right? Freaking get them to just watch views, and give them views and watch their videos. Not me. What I really care about is helping people, because every time that I help people, they help me out in the long term, okay? I don't make money from going in and selling you a course, right? All of the money that I make is usually once you start making money and you come back, you be like, damn, this guy sold it to me for cheap, right? This guy helped me out. He did so much work. Let me come in and bless this guy. This happens all the time. Most of my students that they get a job with me, they always come back and, they sign up for a year, 2 years, 3 years. I got people that I helped out in 2018, right? And I helped them out, becoming developers, getting into their careers. And because they know how much work I put in and all the benefits and things that I gave them when they came to my platform, till this day, from 2018 till now, we're talking about 6 years that they're still on CodingPhase, and they're loyal because they saw what I did for them, right? So I care about my subscribers just like I care about my own family members, straight up. Because at the end of the day, when you're a nice person, you care about people, and you give them a great service, they always come back and bless you. So anyways, guys, it's drizzling out here, so I gotta go. I gotta pick up this kid. My wife is already giving me that look like, yo, you gonna let me get wet out here? She gave me that look like, yo, you gonna let me get wet out here? It's drizzling already. So I'm gonna see you guys later. It's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. When I'm going to Atlanta, soon. Pretty soon. I'm trying to touch down, Magic City, bro. You know me, huh? I'm a big time strip club connoisseur. You know what I mean? I go to places. You know what I mean? I like to go out. I like to hit the strip club. I like to throw money in the air. Atlanta is one of my favorite places to be at. You know what I mean? And I like to be around, my fucking peoples. You know what I mean? Every time I'm in Atlanta, I feel like I'm in Wakanda. You know what I mean? Like this is like freaking is the golden state. You know what I mean? It's the state where, to be honest with you, between Florida and Georgia, those are my two favorite states, other than New York, because I feel at home. I feel like I'm around my peoples, right? So it's always good, and I love the motivation that I get when I go to Atlanta, Georgia. It just shows me what's possible. You know, seeing so many black folks with money, that shit motivates the shit out of me. I'll be like, damn, homies getting it like that. I want to be like that. You know what I mean? So it's just great motivation. Same thing like when I go to Miami. I love Florida. I love Georgia, especially Miami, Atlanta, and of course, New York City. Okay, guys? I'm going to see you guys later. It's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. I love you guys. Take care. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.